Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It is the cutest little thing. This is a little ice cream truck and it's designed by mrjocrafts here on YouTube. She has quite a lot of different projects available for free to download. The only catch is you have to watch her YouTube posts, and they are all password protected, so each one is a different password to different items that she has available. Please do not ask me. I will not give you the password because it's not for me to do so. You need to contact her and watch her channel. So this is a really great little item. I fell in love with it when I saw it. I thought, yes, I've got to try this one. She has it ready for download for Silhouette Cameo and for Cricut. I've got the Silhouette Cameo for, and I can't believe how easy it is to put together. She has it so well organized. I mean, she's just a clever person, that's all I can say. She has so many lovely projects available. This is a little ice cream truck that's very, very sturdy. As you can see, the bottom, the wheels turn together on each section. So good. And the whole thing does actually run. It rolls. Such a cute little item. I've added a few little touches of my own just to make it an ice cream truck. She's got the little pennant here. She's got this one down the bottom. I did mine in white and purple and pink with some multitude of colours on the top. On the front, she's got the headlights that she's designed. She's designed the bumper bar, the window as well, with the little border for the window as well. Oh, it's so cute. I've added the number plate with my own letters in there from my stash, from the dies in my stash. On the other side, the same. It's just a plain side she's got done, that she's designed. I've added the ice cream because I think, you know, sometimes on a busy highway and you're sitting in the back seat of the car in the passenger seat, you don't always see the top. You see the side and you wonder, what kind of truck is that? And then that's why I've labelled ice cream. And I've added the little flat back ice creams as well. On the back, she's actually designed 2 ice cream cones, and they're doubles. I think they're called double cones or double ice creams on the cone. So she's got that option as well that she's placed there for you if you want to put that design on there, which she has done. So I've done the same because that's what she's indicated. And I did mine in the glitter cardstock with the plain kind of cardstock, and it's so clever. Love the cone pattern. The headlights that she's designed, I've placed in the back myself. I thought that's a different touch. And I've also placed a little number plate that says yummy from Dies in My Stash. The ice cream cone is such an amazing little design, and it works. It's amazing. I've never seen a design like this. This is really good. It's a hollow little ice cream cone that I've stuck down, that she has actually indicated to stick down. The pattern is so nice. It really goes well with the design. So easy, guys. Oh, really, I'm a beginner on Silhouette Cameo, and I've only had it for a year, and I've just been I've been paper crafting galore. It's been fun. But she's placed on hers 3 parts of the cone. I try to make my life a little bit more difficult and add the 4th. So instead of having 6, I've put 8 compartments here to join together. Yeah, I can see why she said only 3, because it makes it harder to stick down. I had to use super glue. And that's why, hence, when I lie it sideways, my lid puckles up because I've got too much heavy weight. But yeah, it works, and it's so decorative. I put a little pearl on the top of mine just to make mine a little bit different. But yeah, it's such a cute little design. It really is. She's so clever. She's actually made it so that when you open the lid opens this way as a flap on the top. Has 2 little flaps inside and ample room to put your goodies in. It's such a great little design. Oh wow. I've really had a lot of fun making this. I'm going to go and make another one actually. So yeah, please check out mrjocrafts. She's on YouTube, and she has her projects also on Instagram. It's a lot of fun, and it's so easy, so simple. Like I said, check it out. Go check out mrjocrafts. You won't be disappointed. Having a lot of fun. So thank you so much for watching. Yeah, and take care and see you next time. Bye bye for now.